Passionflowers, known for their striking blooms and unique fruit, have captivated gardeners and nature enthusiasts for centuries. These exquisite vines are not only a visual delight, but also carry a rich history and a host of potential health benefits. If you're eager to add a touch of exotic beauty to your garden and want to learn how to grow passion flowers, you're in for a treat. This comprehensive guide will take you through every step of the cultivation process, from selecting the right variety to caring for your passion flower vine. Understanding passion flowers. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of growing passion flowers, it's important to get to know these fascinating plants a little better. Passiflora, commonly known as passionflowers or passion vines, is a genus comprising over 500 species. They are native to tropical and subtropical regions in the Americas, with the majority of species found in South America. The name passionflower is said to have been given by Spanish Christian missionaries who saw symbolism in the plant's parts, relating them to the Passion of Christ. Passiflora vines are renowned for their showy and intricate flowers, which come in a wide array of colors and patterns. Some popular varieties include Passiflora incarnata, maypop, Passiflora caerulea, blue passionflower, and Passiflora edulis, purple passion fruit. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, passionflowers produce edible fruits, while certain species are believed to have medicinal properties. Selecting the right passionflower variety. Choosing the right passionflower variety is the first step in your cultivation journey. Consider factors such as climate, available space, and personal preferences when making your selection. Here are a few popular passionflower varieties and their characteristics. Maypop, Passiflora incarnata. Native to the southeastern United States, maypop is a cold, hardy variety that produces attractive, fragrant flowers. Its fruit is small and not as commonly consumed as those of other species. Blue passionflower, Passiflora caerulea. This variety is well suited to a wide range of climates and is known for its stunning blue and white flowers. It produces small, egg-shaped fruits. Purple passion fruit, Passiflora edulis. If you're interested in growing passion flowers for their fruit, this is the variety to choose. Purple passion fruit vines yield delicious, aromatic fruit with sweet, tart pulp. Giant granadilla, Passiflora quadrangularis. As the name suggests, this species produces large, greenish-yellow fruit with sweet, aromatic flesh. It's a tropical variety that requires warm conditions. Planting passion flowers. Once you've selected the right passion flower variety for your garden, it's time to get your hands dirty. Here's a step-by-step guide to planting passion flowers. 1. Choose the perfect location. Passion flowers thrive in full sun, so select a spot in your garden that receives at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Well-draining soil is essential to prevent root rot, so make sure your chosen location has good drainage. 2. Prepare the soil. Before planting, enrich the soil with organic matter like compost. Passion flowers prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH level of 6.57.0. 3. Plant the vine. Plant your passion flower vine in the spring, once the risk of frost has passed. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball, place the plant in the hole, and fill it with soil. Space multiple vines 3-5 feet apart to allow for proper growth. 4. Support the vine. Passion flowers are vigorous climbers, so provide them with support like a trellis, fence, or pergola. As the vine grows, gently guide it towards the support structure. 5. Watering and mulching. Water your passion flower regularly, especially during the growing season. However, avoid overwatering, as passion flowers are susceptible to root rot. Applying a layer of mulch around the base of the plant can help retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Caring for your passion flower. Proper care is essential to ensure your passion flower thrives and produces its stunning flowers and, in some cases, delicious fruit. Here are some key care tips. 1. Pruning. Prune your passionflower vine in late winter or early spring to encourage new growth and maintain its shape. Remove dead or diseased branches and cut back overgrown areas as needed. 2. Fertilizing. Fertilize your passionflower vine with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in the spring. Avoid excessive use of high nitrogen fertilizers, as this can lead to more foliage growth and fewer flowers. 3. Pest and disease management. Passionflowers can be susceptible to aphids, scale insects, and nematodes. Keep an eye out for signs of infestations and treat them promptly with appropriate insecticides or organic solutions. Additionally, ensure good air circulation around the plant to prevent fungal diseases. 4. Winter protection. In colder climates, consider protecting your passionflower vine from frost by wrapping it in burlap or providing some form of insulation. This is especially important for less cold hardy varieties. Harvesting passion fruit. If you're growing passionflowers for their fruit, you'll need to know when and how to harvest it. Most passion fruit varieties are ready for harvest when they change color from green to purple or yellow, depending on the variety. They should also give slightly when gently squeezed. Simply twist the fruit off the vine and enjoy the sweet, tart flesh and crunchy seeds. The symbolism and beyond. In addition to their beauty and fruit, passionflowers hold symbolic meaning for some. The unique parts of the passionflower have been interpreted as representations of the Passion of Christ, making these vines especially significant to certain religious groups. The 3 stigma represent the 3 nails used for the crucifixion, the 5 anthers represent the 5 wounds on Christ's body, and the radial filaments symbolize the crown of thorns. Beyond their symbolism, passionflowers have a place in traditional herbal medicine. Some species, like Passiflora incarnata, are believed to have calming and sedative properties and are used to make herbal teas and supplements. Growing passionflowers can be a rewarding and visually captivating endeavor. Whether you're drawn to their stunning blooms, plan to harvest their delicious fruit, or appreciate their historical and symbolic significance, passionflowers have something to offer every gardener. With proper care and attention, you can cultivate these remarkable vines and create a tranquil oasis in your own backyard. So, roll up your sleeves, get your gardening tools ready, and embark on a journey of cultivating tranquility with passionflowers.